Inflation. It's not exactly a secret. Things are getting more expensive these days. Gas, groceries, pretty much everything you need to keep your life going in our modern lives. Of course, inflation doesn't just make groceries and gas more expensive. It quietly eats away at your savings and investments too. If your money is not growing faster than inflation, you're falling behind and effectively losing purchasing power every single year. Today, we're covering 3 practical ways to protect your portfolio from the inflation bug. First, a quick baseline. In Canada, inflation has averaged about 2 to 3% annually over the long run. That means if your savings account is paying you 1.5% interest, you're not breaking even, you're falling behind. The goal isn't just to grow your money, but to grow it faster than inflation is eating into it. So, what are some strategies that work in overcoming inflation? In this current information overload environment, the first and most powerful tool is one you've heard of: investing in the market through stocks, ETFs, or other investment vehicles. Over the long run, the S&P 500 has historically returned around 7 to 10% annually. That is well ahead of the inflation rate. Companies raise prices when inflation picks up. That means their revenues and earnings tend to grow alongside it. When you own an equity-based fund, you own a slice of that. This isn't a short-term inflation hedge, it's a long-term play. But for most investors, it's the most effective tool in the box. The second strategy is not a new investment. It's about cutting costs. When inflation rises, your dollars do not go as far. One of the most effective responses is to find where your money is quietly leaking out of your budget, subscriptions you may have forgotten about, higher cost services you can replace, discretionary spending you can dial back. Every dollar you free up is a dollar you can redirect back into investments that beat inflation. Think of it this way: reducing a $50 a month expense doesn't just save you $50. Invested over time, that $50 a month compounds into something much larger. Controlling your costs during an inflationary period is one of the most underrated financial moves you can make. The third strategy is to make your cash work harder by moving it into reliable, income-yielding vehicles. This can come in the form of a covered call ETF, like the Harvest Healthcare Leaders Income ETF, HHL on the TSX. How do you beat inflation? Invest in equities and ETFs for long-term growth. Tighten your budget to free up more capital, and put your cash in vehicles that generate consistent income to keep pace with rising rates. None of these require you to be the financial expert. It starts with you being intentional with your money. See you next time on Money Focus.